Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered how to present your ideas like this? Renowned architects like Big uses these type of representations to explain their concepts. Turns out, it is easier than you think. Let's see how to create these concept development diagrams. This is a two-step process. I'll take you through the steps one by one in detail. First, we need to make the foundation of the drawings. In this step, we will create the conceptual models in a 3D software. I have already created a set of models in SketchUp. If you don't find Views and Shadows toolbar, you can turn them on by right-clicking the toolbar and adding whatever is missing. Default view in SketchUp is perspective. In order to get the isometric view, go to Camera and change the mode to Parallel Projection. Now under Views toolbar, select ISO View. As you can see, we have multiple colors in the viewport. To get rid of that, select Hidden Line preset under Styles menu. Next thing is to turn on shadows by pressing this button under Shadows toolbar. Basically, we need 3 images, one with line alone, one with shadow alone, and the last one is to have both in same image. To save the image, go to File and select 2D Graphic under Export submenu. Make sure the exported image is high quality by going to Options and change to higher resolution. With all the foundation is ready, we shall move on to second step. Open up everything in Photoshop and change them to Smart Object. Move the shadows layer on top and change the blending mode to multiply. Create a new layer for outline. Press B for brush and reduce the size and hardness to 100%. Now we shall create the outline like so. There we go. Now the image looks better with outline. This creates a depth to the image. Usually these types of drawings have some type of arrows, denoting the movement or progress from one stage to another. Here I have an arrow made. I'll bring that inside our project. To match the arrow to the perspective, press Ctrl+T to transform and set the vertical skew to -30. And resize and place these arrows in corresponding places. Similarly, change the rotation to 90 degree and horizontal skew to -30, and resize and place these arrows in corresponding places. Let's add some character to the model by adding some human cutouts and creating highlights and other design aspects to make it more interactive. Also, we can add the text and convert them to perspective by same technique as discussed before. And add some texts and description to explain the concept better. After this, you can add your personal touch to conceptual diagrams. I have also made multiple options for this same diagram. And that is all for today, guys. If you found the video useful, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.